Welcome to the video tutorial for installing the Sun 2000 inverter. This tutorial demonstrates how to install the inverter hardware and connect cables. Unpack the inverter and check that the items in the package are complete. Check for any damage. First, determine an appropriate installation position that can sustain the weight of the inverter and meet the clearance requirements. Inverter installation mode. This video uses support mounting as an example. Take out the mounting bracket. Install the mounting bracket to the support. Install the lifting handles. At least 4 persons are required to install the inverter to the mounting bracket. Install the conversion brackets. Secure the inverter. The installation is complete. Before you start, get familiar with the wiring areas of the inverter. The DC and communications ports are located at the bottom of the inverter. The AC ports are in the maintenance compartment on the side of the inverter. DC power cables are connected to PV strings. Communications cables are connected to cascaded inverters on the smart logger. AC power cables are connected to an external AC switch. AC power cables are connected to cascaded inverters or the smart logger. Before connecting cables, ensure that the DC switches on the inverter and all switches connected to the inverter are off. Open the maintenance compartment door. Prepare for connecting AC power cables. Remove rubber rings according to the cable diameter. Prepare an AC power cable. Strip an appropriate length of the insulation from the wires. Crimp OT terminals and install heat shrink tubing. Connect the AC power cable. Select an appropriate AC switch in accordance with local industry standards and regulations. Close the maintenance compartment door. The AC power cable connection is complete. Prepare DC input terminals. Prepare positive and negative DC terminals in sequence as required. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage and ensure that the polarities are correct. Connect the DC power cables. The DC power cable connection is complete. Disassemble the signal cable connector. Select the rubber plug according to the cable diameter. Route the signal cable through the connector and strip the wires. Insert the wires into the corresponding pins of the terminal and secure the wires. Connect the signal terminator to the COM port on the inverter. The signal cable connection is complete. Take the 4G smart dongle as an example. For FE communication, install the WLAN FE smart dongle. Insert the SIM card. Check that the snap fits on both sides are secured. Install the smart dongle to the USB port on the inverter. System power on. Set DC switch 1 and DC switch 2 to on.